Hi, welcome to my channel. Today, I would like to discuss with you how you can optimize your LinkedIn profile and specifically how you can optimize your experience section. Having worked in LinkedIn many years, this was a common question that I was getting asked all the time by the audience. And I would like to share my tips and tricks with you in this video. Let's get started. One of the main important sections of LinkedIn profile is your experience area. Right after your photo and right after your summary, the experience section is the first area the audience is going to see. And you know, LinkedIn is a 24/7 online store, your personal brand. So optimizing your experience section is the most important area. So let me share some tips and tricks with you. Number one, try to write your experience in bullet points. Try to summarize them. And try not to write very generic words. And there's a formula that I would like to share with you. The first thing that you should do is showing your impact to the audience and including numbers. So here's an example. Let's say you're an event coordinator of a company and you would like to showcase that you've been working there for many years and you're a very experienced event coordinator. Rather than just writing this, I hosted multiple events, just a bullet point, I highly recommend you to create this formula. As an event planner in XYZ company, I was responsible of hosting 10 plus events per year. And I was responsible of a team consist of 6 people, and I was in charge of catering events, wedding events, and XYZ. So as you can see, I'm putting numbers in here. I'm not only mentioning that I'm an event coordinator, I'm also mentioning that how many team members I've been managing. What's the impact that I'm creating for the company? If you put numbers and potentially the growth of the company, that can also help you as well. Here's another example, again from the event coordinator job. Let's say you've been hosting 10 events per year, and each event there were more than thousands of people coming to the conference center. Were you responsible for the conference arrangements? Were you responsible for the sponsorships? Or were you responsible for all? If you were responsible for the sponsorships, how many sponsors you have been working with? And what was the impact on the revenue for the company? Of course, you should not share anything confidential about the company. Maybe you can just mention, I was an event coordinator in XYZ company. I was the main person creating all these events in San Diego region. Each event was consist of more than thousands of attendees. And I was responsible of bringing 20 plus sponsorships that resulted XYZ number of revenue. If you can show your impact with the numbers, again, not disclosing any confidential information, then it's going to make you different than the crowd. This is the most important piece. And try not to write your experience section with long paragraphs. Try to make it easy on the audience to digest the content that you're writing on your experience section. So simply, after you write your summary section on your experience area, you should try to emphasize what was your impact for the company or what is your impact for the company. Try to describe them as clear as possible. If you want to know more about the tips and the tricks about LinkedIn, optimizing your LinkedIn profile, don't forget to check out my LinkedIn playlist in my YouTube channel. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.